Hi everyone, I'm at the Boyce Road at this point of time, and I've got something really nasty to show you guys. Really graphic. Check this out. There's a major landslide that has happened here. A big one, a massive landslide on this stretch of the road. Kadang ka jingtua khando ka ba shirkei shaka palat hang ne po Boyce Road. Tamau ne galinti ka ban connect bat ka PGT College. Kala judan ka benta ka ba ju tua teng and hak ni kisia baro pek ka jing ima jong ka jing tua. It's like a massive landslide. I am really feeling a little scared now, of course, going closer. And it's a massive down towards the municipal quarters. Whoa, this is big, man, and it is pretty scary for the fact that this stretch is pretty vulnerable right now. If it still continues to rain, we might just expect really bad. Whoa, thankfully there are no homes. Thankfully there's nobody who lives around this place, so there are no casualties, I believe. But if you look down, the force of it has stretched way down towards those municipal quarters, and perhaps some of the mud have actually reached even far as towards the municipal quarters as well. Whoa, this is massive. This is really massive. And to think about that, this road is now, I don't know, at the width of near about just 14, 15, 16, feet. So this stretch is definitely going to be a pretty serious affair. I'm sure the police are going to put a no entry around this place and see what can be done more about it. But still, time, and you never know. This stretch, this edge that is around, might also turn out to be a very shaky affair. Just to let you guys see, well, this is really massive. Really massive. Whoa. Thank God that it has stopped raining, and yeah, else things could be even worse. Looking at the impact right there below at the municipal area, the quarters. Whoa, this definitely seems to be a very heavy downpour of mud that has gone way down closer to them. Wow, thank God. Thank God indeed. Just hope and pray that the rain stops and